Welcome back. In today's lesson, we shall be going straight into the dart rotation. We shall first be starting with the French darts. To do that, we'll measure, say, 3 inches from the side, like so. Mark 3 inches, and then we'll draw a line from here to this point. Next, we're going to slash it. Careful not to slash it completely off. Slash it to a point that is very close to this point. As you can see, we're not there yet, so we keep slashing. And this is it. We have a French dart. We'll use a tip, and this is it. This is what we call a French dart. Next, we're going to beat the side straight dart. That is, from this point here, we'll draw a straight line, like so, from the side to the center front, like this. Next, we're also going to now slash from this point here, that's the side, to the center, where the dart, where the dart point is located. And this is it. We're not going to cut it off, just like we did the first one. We're only going to cut it to the point. And then we'll bring it this way. And we have successfully now created the side bust dart. We are rotating our dart. Remember, we said that darts that are positioned on this side of our pattern are to be folded this way, that's downwards. Next is the mid armhole dart. Now, to create the mid armhole dart, you're going to measure your armhole like so. Measure your armhole round. We have 8.5. Whatever you get, you divide by 2, and that is 4. I think that's 4 1/4, and this is it. At this point, we're also going to measure a straight line from this point, like so. Just like the others, using the scissors. And this is it. Now, if you're doing a good job, you realize that once you match it like so, everything is going to match. Everything will match like it is matching. Straight, no excess. As you can see, we have successfully eliminated the waist dart, the French dart, the side straight dart, and we have opened the armhole to create a dart at the mid armhole. Next is going to be the mid shoulder dart. Now, our mid shoulder here, our shoulder is 5 inch. We're going to find the midpoint, which is 2.5, and mark it like so. Using our ruler, we'll draw a straight line from this point here, that's the mid shoulder, to this point. And just like the others, we'll slash it. Careful not to cut it off. I told you, if you're doing a good job, everything should match like this. And this is it. Next is the mid neckline dots. Like the armhole, you take a measurement of your neckline, round like so, round, and we have 4.5, which means our mid armhole is going to be 2/4. So you measure 2/4, and this is it. You mark it like so. Draw a straight line to the bust point like we did the others. Using a ruler, sorry, a scissors, we slash. Careful not to cut it off. Then you rotate your pattern like so. That is the mid neckline. Next is going to be the center straight line. That is center busts straight line. This dot here. Remember, we already drew the line when we were trying to create the side straight dots. We draw a straight line to this point, to the center front, and like the others, and this is it. To go back from where we started, all you need to do is slash open the waist as that, like so.